Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Quick Take. It has been another exciting week in Leander ISD and I've been out visiting many campuses and saw some exciting things at Pleasant Hill, Cypress, and Knowles Elementary. But today I ended my week at Bagdad Elementary where they have been celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. They had an amazing assembly showing off many different performances that celebrate the cultures here at Bagdad Elementary. I want to draw your attention to a couple of teachers who I think represent all amazing teachers here in Leander ISD. Jenny Elisan and Charlene Logcow. These two teachers are part of our Spirit Exchange program and they are here teaching from the Philippines. And they have also been sharing their culture with the students through after-school programs. They even led some of the performances in the assembly today and at the board meeting last night. Thank you to these two amazing teachers. Speaking of amazing teachers, you know it is Teacher Appreciation Week and LEAF has had a teacher appreciation campaign going on, and I'd like to read to you one of the submissions that stood out to me. Ms. Crossman is an exceptional 5th grade math and science teacher at Laura Welch Bush Elementary who truly makes a lasting impact on her students. She brings learning to life. Not only does she have a unique ability to build meaningful relationships with her students, but also with their families. My daughter summed it up best when she said, "She gets kids." Isn't that so true of all of our teachers in Leander ISD? It's also been Nurse Appreciation Week, and I want to give a huge shout out to all the nurses in Leander ISD, but specifically Jenny Skopal at Stiles Middle School for winning the state's Blue Bonnet Excellence in School Nursing Award. This award is based on nominations from peers and colleagues, and Jenny had the most nominations out of all the nurses who were nominated in the state of Texas. As we get closer to the end of the year, that means it is time for graduation season. And our students aren't the only ones who are graduating. On Wednesday, we graduated another class of ambassadors through the Leadership LISD program. This program is made up of community members who gave up their time throughout the school year to learn about the inner workings of our school district. We appreciate you for participating and thank you for being ambassadors for Leander ISD. And back to student graduations, one of our high schools is gearing up for their very first senior class that will be graduating this year. The first celebration they participated in was the Austin Community College Chancellor's Reception. Our seniors at Early College High School were the largest group receiving their associate's degree from Austin Community College out of all the other districts in our region. We really appreciate and admire the academic achievements of this group. Applications are still open for the 26-27 school year if you are interested in attending Early College High School. Just visit the link that's on the screen. And that's all I have for this week. Until next time, have a great weekend.